Well, hello everyone. I'm Lottie Silvis. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you can check out my videos. And if you enjoy my videos or you want to see my lifestyle, go ahead. And you'll find more about me and who I am and what I do online and also what I do offline. I am 62 years old in the year of 2023. So I am still working CNA as a certified nurse assistant, and I'm kind of not been uploading a lot of videos lately or making a lot of videos, but I have been uploading a lot of shorts. I believe shorts, if you start making shorts the year 2023, you can also get paid through YouTube ad program. If you're with the YouTube ad program, it's a great program if you want to make some money on the side besides your job. Now, I do this part-time. I don't do it full-time. And I try to make the time to make shorts if I don't have the time to make a long video or develop any kind of content that I want to talk about. But today I want to show you my updates on the year 2023. This is my YouTube channel, my main one. I have several YouTube channels. You can check out Deeza's Crochet. That's another YouTube channel that I also have. And besides that channel and this channel, with Lottie Silvis, both of these channels are monetized, and I am part with the YouTube ad program. So I do make a little money on both sides of channels. And if you want to make some money on YouTube, you can check out my playlist on YouTube. I actually talk a little bit about how to start one. And you can also learn from other creators, YouTubers that are actually making high bucks money. Okay, it does take work, it does take time, it does take dedication. So it's all up to you how you want to be successful. All right, so this is my life, and lately I've been doing a lot of crafts, and I do need to make a playlist on part of my crafts, but most of the time I put it on my shorts. But I do have videos I've uploaded, things that I have made. I do love to create ebooks, so if you want to start an ebook store, you want to create your own ebooks, I do have videos on those. I talk about my audiobooks. I have a really great program that I'm involved in, and it's actually one of my tools I use, and it's called Scribble. So right here is Scribble, so you can take a look and check out that video if you want to learn or make some ebooks for yourself. Alright, so I have audiobooks that you can listen to, and this is my website of the other one, Deeza's Crochet. I actually have like 105 videos so far there. I haven't been really working on that channel. I've been working more on this channel than that channel. It's really hard to work two channels at the same time. Alright, and then I talk about excuse me, but having the right mindset, being in the right mind, okay, staying connected, how to be positive in life. I talk about mindset reset. You can reset your mindset, to a positive mode, having that high vibration in your life, and having the right mindset on YouTube is also cool. Okay. Having a business successful online. I talk a little bit about that. And in this channel, this is my son's channel. I encourage everyone to subscribe to his channel. He has 62 videos, which I'm very proud of him. And I have to clear my throat because my throat is kind of not well. I've been going through a cold, so I've been under the weather, but I am getting better. So anyway, this is my YouTube channel. want to find out more about me, go ahead and check out the About section here. It talks about me. Like I say, I haven't been uploading, but I do upload shorts every day. I try to, and I'm uploading this video because I need to make a video too as well. Alright, so thank you for stopping by, checking out my YouTube channel. Hope you guys like my videos. Please leave your comments, your views. Subscribe to my channel so you can check out the latest notification bell up in the corner when I will get another fresh video for all of you. But I'm going to try to pop up some regular videos so that I can increase my views and promote myself. I haven't been really promoting myself. I usually promote organic traffic through this channel, and it's been in a hold right now. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy my channel, and I hope you all have a great, wonderful day. All right, take care, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to monetize your YouTube channel. Hi there, I'm Coach Lottie Ann, and I'm here to help you, and I'm going to give you some ideas and share you how to monetize your channel. Okay, the question people ask me often is, how do you get your channel monetized? And first of all, you can't get a channel monetized if your channel is old. You got to create a new channel. Okay, do not use old channels that you have had over a year. It will not qualify for the YouTube AdSense program. Within the year of your new channel, you got to gain 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. And the way to do that is you need to hire someone that will monetize your channel. Now, it took me a year for my channel to get monetized, and I did hire someone from FIVVER. FIVVER is a good place where you can get your channel monetized, and make sure you get someone that is experienced there, people that know and have the knowledge how to drive traffic, and not using bots. You know, they're honest. Use someone that knows how to drive organic traffic to your YouTube channel. Another thing that you need to do is you need to upload videos consistently. YouTube wants to see you active. Okay, so they will not activate you and welcome you into the YouTube ad program if your channel is not active. So you need to stay active. You need to upload great content, people that enjoy your content, people that need to hear something that will give them the solution that they're looking for. So if your channel is monetized, you will get paid. YouTube will help you set it up. Once you get approved, they have to approve all your videos. They got to approve your channel. To be aware that YouTube does take a look at your channel. Don't reuse copyrights from other people. Be original. Have an introduction. Have a good about description on your YouTube channel. Have an intro video and an outro video. Be original. YouTube is looking for people that are very original, authentic, and those are the channels that will get monetized. If you make videos of yourself, be serious in your YouTube. So create a new one, hire someone from FIVVER, and create great content and upload videos as many as you can, as much as you can, at least every day, right? Okay, everyone, I'm Lottie Ann Silvas. Thank you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos first before you subscribe. Get to know who I am. If you like my channel, subscribe. If you don't have to. Welcome back anyway. Anytime, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm always promoting things online. And I hope this video helps you. Alright? Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.